Check whether the door frame, not the door, is causing closure problems by testing gap consistency and frame plumb under normal use. Start by closing the door slowly and watching the gap between the door edge and the frame from top to bottom. A consistent gap means the frame is likely straight, while a gap that widens or narrows reveals frame twist or bow. Use a carpenter square against the hinge side and the strike side to check 90-degree squareness at top and bottom corners. If the square does not sit flush at either corner, the jamb is out of square. Measure gaps at 3 points with a measuring tape: top, middle, and bottom. Differences greater than 1/8 of an inch typically indicate frame movement or settling that simple hinge shimming will not fix. Press on the wall adjacent to the jamb and watch for any movement or looseness at the frame. Movement of the frame when the wall is pushed suggests poor anchoring or wall failure. Look for visible cracks in the frame, split jambs, or gaps between trim and wall that can signal structural shift or water damage. Describe any rot or soft spots by probing with a screwdriver to locate compromised wood. If you need a definitive check, loosen a hinge screw slightly and see if the jamb returns to alignment when the door is closed. If loosening a hinge changes the gap pattern, the frame is likely the issue, and you should plan on reanchoring or replacing the jamb. 3 common mistakes are assuming loose hinges are the only cause, misreading temporary swelling as permanent warp, and ignoring nearby wall movement. Simply tightening or replacing hinges can mask a frame that is shifted or twisted and lead to recurring problems, so verify gap geometry before fixing hardware. Seasonal humidity can swell the door or frame temporarily. Check alignment when the house interior is at normal living humidity and after the door has been used a few times. Homeowners sometimes miss signs of wall movement such as cracks or bulging drywall that allow the jamb to move. If the adjacent wall is not solid, secure the framing or consult a structural carpenter. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home improvement topics like door frame diagnosis, letting us share questions, photos, and advice in our discussion community. We help homeowners find local contractors and help contractors find work through our project listings and community interactions.